If you're not drinking this, what are you even doing this summer? Cold, juicy, sweet with a spicy little kick. This isn't just a drink, and it's a whole moment. Watch the second glass get poured. The first one's already chilling. You're late, but I saved you a sip. Now here's how the summer magic happened. Started with a watermelon that's thick, juicy, and main character certified. Sliced her open. Oop, she's juicy and unbothered. That color? That's watermelon with intentions. Peeled her down. Chopped her into bite-sized beauty. Every slice, a step closer to greatness. Ice cubes in the blender to set the mood. Ginger for that spicy edge. Pineapple drops in, looking sweet and tropical as fuck. Add all that watermelon. One tablespoon powdered sugar for just the right flirt. One teaspoon vanilla for that gourmet glow up. Blend until smooth and sexy. Pour over fresh ice. Cold, juicy, and ready to steal the whole summer. Top it with mint. Zoom in, zoom out. Just look at her. She understood the assignment and stole the whole scene. Two glasses, one vibe, unlimited luxury. Don't just scroll, go sip.